In this session, we are going to learn about data types in Python. Numeric data types are used to store numbers in Python. Python mainly supports three numeric types: integer, float, and complex. Integer, which is represented as int. Here, we assign the value 5 to a variable a. Since 5 is a whole number, Python identifies its type as int. The output confirms this by showing class int. Float or floating point. Next, we assign 6.0 to variable b. Even though the value looks like 6, the presence of a decimal point makes it a float. Python correctly displays the data type as class float. Complex number, mentioned as complex. Now we assign 3 plus 2j to variable c. In Python, complex numbers are returned using j for the imaginary part. Let's now see about sequence data types. Sequence data types store multiple values in an ordered manner. Let's see string data type. A string is a sequence of characters enclosed in quotes. Here, the variable a stores the text "This is Python course." Python prints the text exactly as stored. When we check the type, Python confirms that it is a string. String indexing. Strings support indexing, which means assessing individual characters. A of 0 prints the first character. A of 1 prints the second character. A of 2 prints the third character. A of -1 prints the last character. This shows that Python strings are ordered and index based. Let's now see about list data type. A list is an ordered and mutable collection of items. First, we can create an empty list using square brackets. And square bracket has been printed to exhibit that the empty list is available. Next, we create a list containing numbers 1, 2, and 3. Python prints the list in the same order. List can also store different types of data. Here, the list contains strings and numbers together. Python accepts this without any error. Let's now see about list indexing. B of 0 prints the first element apple. B of -1 prints the last element 6. This confirms that list supports positive and negative indexing. Let's now see about tuple data type. A tuple is similar to a list, but it is immutable, which means values cannot be changed. Let's now create an empty tuple and a tuple with fruit names. Python prints the tuple values enclosed in parentheses. Next, let's create a tuple with numbers from 1 to 5. The output confirms the stored values. Let's now see Boolean data type. Boolean data type represents true or false values. Python uses the bool class for Boolean values. When we check the type of true and false, Python confirms that both belongs to the bool data type. We can also assign true to a variable a. Python again confirms that the variable is of type bool. Let's now see set data type. A set is an unordered collection of unique elements. An empty set is created using the setOf function. Using curly braces can create a dictionary, not a set. We can also create a set from the string. This is wonderful. Python splits the string into unique characters. Duplicate letters are removed automatically. This is why the output appears unordered and contains only distinct characters. Next, let's see how to create a set using a list of fruits. Python removes duplicates, if any, and stores unique values. The order may change because the sets are unordered. Let's now see the dictionary data type. A dictionary stores data in key value pairs. An empty dictionary is created using curly braces. Keys are numbers and values are fruit names. Python stores and prints the dictionary as key value pairs. Let's now access the dictionary values. D of 1 retrieves the value associated with key 1, which is apple. D dot get of 3 retrieves the value for key 3, which is cherry. Using get of is safer because it avoids errors if the key does not exist. To summarize, Python supports multiple data types. Numeric type stores numbers. Sequence type stores ordered collections. Boolean type represents true or false. Sets store unique values. Dictionaries store key value pairs. Understanding data type is essential for writing correct and efficient Python programs. Thank you and happy learning.